Jai Hind students, I am Gaurav Tiwari, history teacher of Sunbeam School Sultanpur. In our this video lecture for class 8 history, we will study about system, administrative system and ruling system of Alauddin Khilji and Muhammad bin Tughlaq in comparative way. So, in comparative system of Alauddin Khilji and Muhammad bin Tughlaq, if we study, then we find some differences about them and about their administrative system and ruling system, that whatever they had taking step for regulating their army, for ruling and for systematically arrange them in such a order that they can make a big empire. And what was the reason behind it? The mainly reason was that first of all they both are very ambitious about themselves, and second one is at that time Mongols, mostly Genghis Khan, uh, attack on India in northwest boundaries of Indian area from Iran in 1219. So, for this purpose, Alauddin Khilji make his a regular army in a large scale. However, Muhammad bin Tughlaq also trying for this, and he have a big army, but he was the first emperor who attacked on the Mongolian areas. So his policy was, Muhammad bin Tughlaq's policy was not only for a defensive movement, it is also for in a combat movement. Second one is Alauddin Khilji make Siri Fort, a fortification place for keep his regular army in there as for reserve forces to fight against any includers. And in comparison of Muhammad bin Tughlaq, he transferred his capital from Delhi to Daulatabad as for secure them. Second, the revenue system was too much increases in the time of Alauddin Khilji. 50% was taxes increases on the peasants as to pay their army, which is known as Kharaj tax. However, in comparison of Muhammad bin Tughlaq, he also increases so many type of taxes in Ganga, Yamuna and Doab regions, and a large military forces he had collected. And in next difference, he give cash on hand. This system was applied to pay salaries, and he had good control on goods prices of goods, as to provide a proper supply. So market control system is very famous for in the period of Alauddin Khilji. However, Muhammad bin Tughlaq had started token currency, and he stopped the system of the gold coins and silver coins. However, this policy was failed of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. And our last one is the system of Alauddin Khilji was the administrative measurement and to control the market system was very much favorable for him. And Muhammad bin Tughlaq administration system was after all failed because he had started token currency which have so many difficulty and so many type of disturbance happen in his system by this applying system of the token currency. So after a moreover conclusive, we get that system of Alauddin Khilji was very favorable and very much succeeded in the comparison of Muhammad bin Tughlaq system. And he had attacked on Kashmir area, but he was failed. And whatever he had applied taxes on Doab region, it was also failed because famine come in that area. So public were citizens were too much get in trouble by this decision of Muhammad bin Tughlaq, and the token currency system was also failed in the timing of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. So after all comparison of these two empire system of the Muhammad bin Tughlaq and Alauddin Khilji, we get that Alauddin Khilji system of the administrations was too much successful. Okay, thank you.